Hi, boys and girls. Okay, make sure that you have your Go Math. We have volume 2. Okay, we just started it, so you're going to go to the page 493. And today we're going to talk about circles. Okay, so I want you to tell somebody, a grown-up, or just say it out loud. How would you describe a circle to somebody? Like if you had to say, what does it look like? And if you remember yesterday when we introduced our chapter on two-dimensional shapes, remember flat shapes, we said that a circle, let me see if I can grab this shape right here. This right here would be a circle. Now, if you had to describe that, this right here, would you say it had any sides? Okay, does it have any corners? Or is this what we call curved? Okay, so we're going to draw, or I'm going to draw, and I want you to follow along with me. Let me see if I can. Okay. This side said circles. So I'm going to draw around, just like we showed you on that bottom of that cup. Okay, here's a circle. There are no sides. It just goes around in a curve, and then it meets back up. Okay, it doesn't have any corners. Okay, no straight sides, okay? But circles can be different sizes. We have this one, we could do a really small circle. We could do a larger circle, okay? They don't all have to be the same size, but they all have the same shape to them. They all go around in a curved line. Okay, now if we're gonna draw something like a square, you can tell right away that this looks different from our circle because number one, it doesn't have any curved lines. It has straight lines and it even has corners and it has sides. Okay, so that is not a circle. We could do a triangle shape. Again, not a circle. There's no curved lines and this has straight sides. Okay, and then we could do a heart. Maybe you guys would like to draw a heart. And you can see there are curved lines, but it also has a point, a corner. Okay, so this does not look like a circle. Okay, so let's turn the page. Okay, on this page, I want you to make an X. Do you remember how we make the X? I'll make one up here, just like that, over the shapes that are circles. So you're going to go through, and if this is a circle, then you're going to put an X over it. And if I look, it's all curved. So that would get an X. You may finish up the page and make sure that you have a grown-up check it, okay, before you move on to the fun page. Now this page, you're going to be using crayons, or you can use your pencil, but I think a crayon would work the best. Color the circles only. So is this a circle? No, so you would not color this. But what about this right here? Yes, so you could take any color, and you don't have to do the same color for all the circles, but just kind of try to stay in the lines. Okay, is this a circle? No, so you would not color this. But what about this right here? Yes, so you would take your crayon or your marker. A marker might go through the page though. And you can color in that circle. Now you're going to do this for the entire picture. You're going to go through and find all the circles and color them in. And you can use different colors. Mrs. Lofton just used the one color. Okay, now the last thing you're going to do, okay, Neville puts his shapes in a row. So here are his shapes. What shape is a circle? Put an X on that shape. So right here, You have to find the circle and again, put an X over it. Now for number 4, draw to show what you know about circles. Tell a friend, or I would say tell a grown-up about your drawing. So you can show me different circles and maybe tell the grown-up something about all the circles that you've made, okay? Like maybe you might want to make a small circle, a bigger circle. You might want to make another one over here. Maybe you might color them in and then tell me about the colors that you've used in your circles. Okay. Now, this is the part that you can either do on Think Central for 9.1, or you can do it in your Go Math book, but you need to take a picture and put it in our Math in Google Classroom so I know that you've done it. Okay, you can't just say you did it and I can't see a picture. So right here, again, you're going to color the circles in the picture. Only the circles. Everything else you leave without a color. And then on this side is a review. You're going to color the circle. Here you're going to write the missing numbers, fill in the other ones. Number 3, you're going to tell me how many cats. You have to trace it with your pencil, plus write down how many cats you see in the box right here, equals, and I want you to count all the cats, and right here tell me how many you have all together. Okay, so again, this could be done in Think Central on the computer, or if you do these 2 pages, if you do the circle one and this one, I need to see it in Google Classroom under our math assignment. Okay. All right, boys and girls, I will see you later. Thank you. Have a great day.